You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these coin, meme coin, launched by Donald Trump. Yes, it's spelled with a $sign before the name Trump, but it's just for, I don't know, marketing, maybe, I suppose, or it's just for aesthetics. It's actually just pronounced Trump coin or Trump meme coin, not Strump, or dollar Trump, just Trump meme coin, Trump coin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.